Hello, my dear students. This is Shobna Sharma, your computer teacher from Computer Faculty at Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. Welcome to our computer class. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 2, input and output devices. In this chapter we will learn what are input devices, what are output devices, some examples of input and output devices, what is a processing device, what is an IPO cycle. Now we will discuss all the points in the defined serial order. The first comes input devices. Devices that allow us to send information to the computer. Input to a computer is usually given by clicking the mouse or by typing on the keyboard. So children, input devices are those devices which allows us to send the information to the computer. So we can give input by clicking with the help of a mouse or by typing with the help of a keyboard. Next comes output devices. Devices that allow us to receive information from the computer. Output from the computer may be printouts from the printer, sounds on the speaker, or images on the computer. So children, output devices helps us to receive the informations from the computer. Output can be in the form of printouts or the sound which we listen with the help of speakers or images which we see on the monitor screen. All these devices comes under output devices. So children, here comes the important point which you always remember. All the input and output devices has to be connected to the CPU in order to receive and send information. So children, this is very important to remember that all the input and output devices are to be connected with the CPU so that the transfer of information can be done. Now comes some examples of input devices. The first is keyboard. As you can see, this is the picture of a keyboard. Next comes mouse. You can see the picture of a mouse. The last one is scanner. You can see the picture of a scanner. Now comes some examples of output devices. The first is monitor. You can see the picture of a monitor. Next is printer. You can see the picture of a printer. Now the last one is speakers. You can see the picture of the speakers. Now comes what is a processing device. CPU, that is Central Processing Unit, is neither an input nor an output device. It is called the processing device. It takes the information given by the input devices, does the work and send the result to the output devices. Thus, this is called the processed data in the form of output. That's why the name comes Central Processing Unit. So children, what is a CPU? It is neither an input nor an output devices. It is a processing device which takes the input with the help of input devices, process the data in the processing device, and then give you the desired result with the help of output devices. That's why it is called the processing device. So the name comes Central Processing Unit. Now comes what is an IPO cycle. IPO stands for I stands for input, P stands for processing, and O stands for output. It means that we will input data with the help of input devices, then process the data in the processing device, and then get the desired result in the output devices. Now, this picture shows the complete process of an IPO cycle. Now, it is the time for the homework. So today's homework is, dear parents, kindly help your ward to read the chapter carefully from the book. Now at last, stay safe, stay at home, sanitize yourself. Till then, bye bye.